Now the students see here. So in the second question, in the given pictograph, different modes of transportation and number of students a school traveling by, those are shown in a pictograph. See in the pictograph, so mode of transportations are given. So mode of transports, what are the mode of transport? Bus, car. Bus is given, car is given, cycle, on foot. So 4 transportations given. One is bus, first one is bus, second one is car, third one cycle, bicycle, the fourth one is by foot. So these transportations they are using. So here one shape of a student represents 10 students. If one student is there, that means that is equal to 10. If 2 means 20, 3 means 30, 4 means 40, 5 means 50. See here. So answer the following questions. These questions we should do so on the basis of that pictograph. The first question what he is asking here, what are the different modes of traveling? Different modes of traveling, what they are using? So they are using bus, the second car, the third cycles, and foot, by foot. These are the 4 transportations they are using. Now, which mode carries the maximum number of students? See here, what is the maximum number of students? 7 is the maximum number of students. So that is bus. So bus carries maximum number of students. So they are using bus. Maximum transportation is bus. In the bus, 7 pictures are there, means 70 students. 70 students they are coming by bus. Okay. How many students come on foot? How many students? So see here, count 1, 2, 3. 3 students are there. 3 students they are coming by foot. That means 3 should multiply with 10. Why? Each student, each means each picture, each shape of a student represents 10. 3 shapes means 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. 30 students. 30 students. Now, how many students are there in the school? So first we should count all the students in the pictograph. First is 7, second is 4. 7 plus 4, 11. So 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 18, 19, 20. 20 means 20 should multiply with 10. 20 into 10. 20 tens are 200 students. How many students? 200 students there in a school. So total 200 students. Now in the last one, so what is the difference between number of students by bus and by car? By bus, how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students. By car, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students. So by car 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Means 3 should multiply with 10. The difference 30 students. By bus 70 students they are coming. By car 30 students. The difference is 40 students. By car 40 students. By bus 70 students. That is 70 minus 40 is 30 students. The difference of the number of students coming by bus and car is 30 students. Okay. See here in fun time. So some pictures are given. So what he is asking, see, pick out odd one, means a different one. So here in each row 5 pictures are given. So in these 5 pictures we should see and say which one is the odd one. So in the first row, see there. So what pictures are given in first row? So that is bed lamp is given, and one cap is given, and sofa is given, computer is given, so other one is mat is given. So here, so in this odd one is a cap. So why this odd one is a cap? Remaining 4 are household things. The cap is not belongs to the household, so the cap is a odd one. So in the next one, sofa, fridge, mat, and again chair is there, and frock is a cloth, so that is not belongs to the household things. So the odd one is frock, that last one. The next one, bed lamp, bed, shoes, clock, and mat. So the shoes, so they are odd one. So okay, so like this we should find odd ones. Okay students, So now the students see here in the third one. So here is a pictograph showing a number of different animals in a zoo. So in a zoo, different animals given. So first to see how many. So giraffe given 1 2 3 4 5 giraffes are there. So then how many zebras? 3 zebras. And how many tigers? So 7 tigers are there. Once you count, 7 tigers were there. So then after that, how many wolf? So total 10 wolves are there. So then how many bear? So 2 bears were there. So these are the 5 different types of animals given. How many? 5 different types of animals are there in a zoo. So then one by one question, how many animals are in the zoo? Total animals he is asking. Total, how many animals are there? So once you count all the animals, first of all, how many giraffes? 5. And 3 zebras. 5 plus 3, 8. And after that, 7. So tigers. 7. So tiger were there. So then total 15. After that, 10 wolves were there. 25. So then 25 plus 2 bear. So 26, 27. Total 27 animals are there. How many animals? Total 27 animals were there in a zoo. Then second question, how many types of animals are there? Total 5 types of animals. How many? 5 types. 5 types of animals are there. Then next, so what kind of animal is maximum in number? Maximum in number is, so that is wolf. So wolf, so 10, total 10, maximum in number. So then what type of what type of animal are minimum in number? Only 2 bear were there. So that is bear. So these are the answers. Okay. Now the next fifth question here. So what is the difference between the maximum and minimum number? Maximum and minimum number. So maximum number is 10 here, 10 wolves and 2 bears. Maximum number is 10 and minimum number is 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. The maximum number of animals are wolves and minimum number of bear. So then if you find the difference 10 minus 2, that is 8. Maximum minus minimum is 8. The next, how many times wolves more than the bears? So how many times, if you multiply with 2 with 5, 2 5s are 10. So it makes 10. Then it means 5 times. 5 times. So then what part of the wolves means? What part asking? What part means? Fifth part. Fifth part of wolves are bears. Fifth part. Now, so what is the sum of zebras and bears? So zebras, how many zebras we have? How many zebras? Just you count how many zebras. 3 zebras and 2 bears. So 3 plus 2, 5. So total 5. Then what is the sum of wolves and tigers? So how many wolves we have total? So 10 wolves and tigers. So once you count tigers, number of tigers, how many tigers you have? So that is 7 tigers. 10 plus 7, 17. Total 17 in number. Okay. So now the students next lab activity. So this is the general question given. Senior activity. Represent the numerical data using picture symbols. So we should use picture symbols, represents the data. So the number of flowers in a nursery produces. In a nursery, number of flowers produces. Here, in the month of January and February, 350 flowers produces in a nursery. In the month of March and April, 800 flowers they produces. So May and June, so 200 flowers. So July and August, 700 flowers. So September and October, 650 flowers. November and December, 100 flowers they produces. So now you observe the number of flowers: 350, 800, 200, 700, 650 and 100. So all these are multiples of 50. So it means you consider one flower as 50. One flower as 50 flowers. Here month. So write here month. Here number of flowers. Number of flowers. Now month, number of flowers. So now the first one is, so in the month of January and February, in the month of March and April, in the month of May and June, in the month of July and August, in the month of September and October, in the month of November and December. So then how many flowers produces? Here consider, so one flower means is equal to 50 flowers. One flower picture represent 50 flowers. Now in the month of January, so 350 means in 100 we have 2 flowers. 50 plus 50, 100. Just you multiply with, just you see where the 35 will come in 5 table. 5 7 35. So means 7 flowers we should draw. How many flowers? 7 flowers. First, 2, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers. 7 flowers we should draw. So how many flowers? 7 flowers means 350. 50 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. 7 flowers means 350. Here 800 flowers in the month of March and April. So means, so how many flowers we should draw? So in 80, say where the 80 will come in 50 table. So just you check, in 100 we have 16 flowers we should draw. How many flowers? 16 flowers. 1 flower means 50, 2 flowers means 100, 3 flowers means 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. Total 16 flowers we should draw. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 flowers means 800. So 200 means only 4 flowers we should draw in the month of May and June. So 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers. 4 flowers means 200. Here 70 means 700 means 14 flowers we should draw. So 14 flowers. This is first flower is 50, second flower means 100, third flower 150, fourth flower 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700. How many flowers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 flowers means 700. So 650 means 13 flowers. 13 flowers 650. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 flowers. 1, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 650. Once again, once you check, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. 13 flowers. Now in the month of November and December, only 100 means 2 flowers. So we should draw only 2 flowers. Only 2 flowers. One flower is 100, another flower is 100. 100 plus 100, 200 flowers. Okay. So this is your maths lab activity. Okay, students.